Yeah, what's up, my people? What's up, my people? Hope you're having a good month. Uh, Today we're going to be looking at UJ, the USD, the dollar versus the yen. Yeah. So uh, the technical analysis we're going to be looking at here. So hope you can see my chart. This is a UJ on a daily time frame. So guys. Let's drop down to the weekly. So this is what UG has been doing. It went up, formed a supply zone. That is a weekly. You can see I've marked it as my weekly supply zone. Then boom, dropped down to this. That was a drop base drop. You can see drop base drop in the weekly, and then it started taking off. So when it took off, that was a supply zone. When it dropped, base drop, it formed another supply zone there, continued dropping. So this is a supply zone. Let's just, yeah, that is a supply zone. It also came here, it formed a supply zone and continued dropping, but you can see the market came back up here. It touched the supply zone, then dropped again. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame so that you can see it clearly. So this market came up, you can see what I mean. It dropped, it took off again, broke the zone, came and retested the zone there, then continued dropping, and it started now. That was a downtrend. Then the reversal occurred. You can check even my RSI here. My RSI was forming a reversal signal from this point. You can see from this point here. From this point here, the RSI was already oversold. It came here again. Then the RSI started forming higher highs. So the RSI started forming higher highs and the market was forming lower lows. It was giving you an alarm that the market is going to reverse. Okay, so the market reversed in the daily time frame, came to my supply zone again, went down. So I had to combine the supply and demand strategy with the trend lines now here, price action, to get most out of this trade. So this is how I was playing it. It went touch there. I drew my higher high trend line and lower low. So it came here, came to my trend line, then it bounced. It almost broke my supply, then came down, broke it. It came and retested, but when it came and retested my zone here, it already met the trend line again. So price action was clear and this trade was 100% clear. You can see now the supply became demand because it came and retested here, never broke. You can see it only formed a wick, it only formed a shadow here, then the candlestick closed higher, yeah, inside the zone. So that means it touched my trend line and also never broke the zone. So this zone, I labeled it like as a demand zone now, because supply can become demand and demand can become supply. So it came, retested back the trend line, then boom, the market took off. So this is where we are now. This is where the market has closed on Friday. So next week, what are we expecting next week? So stay tuned, traders, because it is entering my supply zone. So what we are expecting here is for it to come, enter the supply zone and touch my trend line, forming another higher high, then dropping, maybe dropping back to the trend line and coming and retesting the zone, and maybe we get a clear reversal, because I guess the market, the the UJ is going to form a big reversal. So if it wants to break that, then it should break this weekly supply zone here and come retest it, then the market might go higher. But we wait. If it touches the zone, we can go down with the UJ and maybe sell the market here. So that is what we're expecting. So you can drop your comments, guys, on what you think about this market. So we just wait, but our technical analysis says that the market will come, maybe reach the trend line here, so we can place our stop loss and above the here at 152, above the trend line and above the supply zone. Then we can drive the market maybe to this previous demand zone, or maybe you can place your store or your first take profits at the trend line here. To be safe, you can place them at the trend line, first take profit, then the second take profit you can place it at this zone, and we wait and see what the market does. Okay, so we also checked at US 30, the Dow Jones, last time, and it played up then went down, but the Dow Jones is still going up. It's still going to go up. That is what I'm seeing here, but we wait for a retest. Okay, so this is what the Dow did. The Dow came, broke our trend line here. So if it's going to go up, we're waiting for it to come and retest that trend line, maybe retest it here if it's truly going down. So it must retest. Wait for a retest for the market to do this. Let me just get okay, sorry. So got my highlighter, so we wait for the market to come and retest there, then drop if it's a downtrend, and we can buy the market this coming week and wait for sales. Okay, so gold is going down. We also checked gold, I guess, guys. I guess I showed you gold. This is my chart, my daily chart on gold. Gold entered my you see, this is how I combine supply and demand with the price action and only one indicator. I only use the RSI. That is my best. I've been using that. So I combine price action with the supply and demand strategy to get most out of the market. So you can see here, gold has been going. It came, entered the supply zone here, then boom, dropped. See the supply zone, it also reached my trend line, then came back to this demand, boom, came to my trend line, forming another supply. It came to my demand zone again, went and retested the trend line and also almost breaking the trend line but entering the supply zone. So we're waiting for gold maybe to come down to this previous demand, or even break lower to here. We have another demand zone down here. That is what we are expecting for gold, maybe to dig down. So if you're a swing trader, you can put trades here and go with it down next week. Okay, check out the UJ. So guys, we'll keep on checking about what the market says, because we have a lot. We have the AU. So this is how my chart always looks like. When you check on my chart, it has trend lines, it has trend lines. So basically price action is the thing, the market and and any price must must follow price actions. So that is the key thing. Even if you're using which strategy, remember that price action is the key, guys. Price action is the key. Price action is the key. The market always moves. You can see here. So this big line here, you see, I went down to my monthly. Make sure you go deeper, dig deeper inside the market so that you find, you see. So the market, I created this, the market came here, came back to that, went up. So that's why I got that trend line. Then I have this on the daily. I have this on the daily time frame. I have this one on the daily time frame. You can see the market formed a lower low, lower low, lower low. So you can see how these trend lines connected here. Yeah, it formed a lower low. So it didn't come back to this to retest this. It retested the other one. You can see, and it is forming a clear diamond shape. Yeah, that is a diamond shape pattern. Also the kiwi is also forming the kiwi is also going up. You can see this is how my chart on the kiwi looks like. You can see even the kiwi, it was going down. That is the diamond. So I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for this to come, break this diamond, retesting it, then I'm going up with it. But you can see this is completely price action. This is price action. That is the magic of the market, price action. So guys, if you found this helpful, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping every Saturday. We'll be doing a weekly analysis on next week's pairs. So this week you can see the New Zealand. You can wait for a retest. You can wait for a retest here, and boom. For the UJ, the dollar yen, you can wait also for a retest to the trend line, and for the market to hit your supply zone well, and hitting your trend line, forming a higher high, then boom, we go short. For the AUD dollar, you can also wait for it to break the diamond shape pattern, then you go up. You see, for the Dow Jones, we go up and wait for we go up and wait for a retest at the trend line, then we go short again. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. For the gold, we can go down, go down, go down. So I'll keep dropping this every week. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm your guy, the Black Man Trader. Remember, we are here to help each other. This market, don't trade alone. Don't trade alone. The problem that I had when I was starting, like 6 months ago in trading, I only have like 8 months, 6 months now. The problem I had the first few months was I wanted to trade alone. But don't trade alone, trade with people. If you want to be successful, you combine your knowledge with someone else's knowledge. Okay, so hope this was helpful, and ciao.